Welcome to my channel. Firmware update, Orbi 870 series latest improvements fixes. Make sure your Orbi router and satellites are plugged in and working. You want everything connected before starting. Check that your computer or phone is connected to your Orbi Wi-Fi network. This keeps you on the same system. Open a web browser and type in orbilogin.com or the default IP address, usually 192.168.1.1. Log in to admin with default username and password. If you haven't changed it, use the default info from your Orbi label. Once you're in, go to the Advanced or Administration section of the menu. You'll see an option for Firmware Update. Click on Firmware Update and then select Check Online. The system will search for the latest version available. If there's a new update, you'll see a prompt. Hit Update All so both the router and satellites get updated together. Wait while the update installs. The lights on your router and satellites may blink, and the internet may drop briefly. Don't unplug anything during this process. When everything reboots and the LEDs turn solid again, log back into your Orbi page to confirm the new firmware version is showing. Finally, test your internet connection on a few devices. If speeds are smooth and stable, congratulations, you've just updated your Orbi 870 firmware successfully. Thanks for watching.